A possible finance payment usually fails when the bank connection is unstable, the linked account has insufficient cleared funds, or the app can't complete real-time authorization with your bank. By the end, you'll know exactly why your possible finance payment is not processing, how to fix it step by step, and what to do so it doesn't happen again. Start with the most common issue. Possible finance depends on instant bank authorization. If your bank blocks automatic debits, uses extra security verification, or recently changed login settings, the payment can fail before it even starts processing. That means the app never fully reaches your account. Next, check your available balance. Even if your balance looks correct, pending transactions can reduce usable funds. If your account doesn't have enough cleared money at the exact time the payment is attempted, the system will reject the transaction automatically. Now look at your bank connection inside the app. If your bank session expired or needs re-authentication, payments will fail silently. This happens often after password changes, security updates, or when the bank forces a fresh login. Reconnecting your bank inside Possible Finance usually restores payment processing. Another issue is timing. Some banks delay transaction updates or restrict automated withdrawals during certain verification windows. When that happens, the payment request is sent but never fully approved on the bank side, causing it to stay stuck or fail. Also check for app side processing errors. If the app is outdated or stuck in a cached session, it may show a payment as processing, even though it never completed authorization. Restarting the app and clearing the session forces a fresh payment attempt. Now look at failed previous attempts. If a payment failed recently, the system may temporarily block new attempts to prevent duplicate charges. In that case, you need to wait for the failed transaction status to fully update before trying again. Here's the simple breakdown. Possible finance payments fail because of broken bank authorization, insufficient cleared funds, expired bank connections, timing restrictions, or previous failed transactions blocking new attempts. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account. Confirm you have enough cleared balance, restart the app, and try the payment again during normal banking hours when your account is fully active. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes for finance app payment issues.